It's a good morning to you. Welcome to Asake Online. My name is Zenzele Ndebele. Thursdays is a special day because we will be bringing to you a program on ZIPRA and ZAPU, and we talk to different leaders who were in the liberation struggle, telling us the history of the liberation struggle, what happened, what they observed, and of course learning from them, because it's now a matter of history. And today we are joined by Ubaba Uvunguza Roma Mdluli Nyathi. One thing special about him is that he was the first political commissar OweZAPU. He was born in 1939 eAdlana, that is around Kezi, and he joined the liberation struggle in the 60s, learned Russia, which was the Soviet Union then, and he has a lot of stories to tell us. Last week, we talked about his joining the liberation struggle, esuka eRhodesia, esiya emazweni ehamba imali kaloliwe ngoba wayesebenzela uloliwe, and he ends up in the Soviet Union, where he specializes in economics, funda khona ngale. So baba, namhla you are telling us uyaqeda eRussia lapana, you now go to Egypt. That's where you go from there. Can you tell us from the story when you're back in Africa?
Yes, ngathi ngisuka ngisengiqedile ngo-66 ngasuke sembuye e-Afrika. I-stopover yami yayiKhairo. eCairo ngahlangana lo Chikerema, ngabona lo Edward Ndlovu. Laba bevela endaweni zawo ngokuqale i-National Executive yeZAPU. Ngajoyina nguPhilani Ndebele, ngabona ngingakutshela ngoPhilani Ndebele ukuthi sasihamba sonke, bangijoyina. Kwase kuthiwa ngisale mina eLokuzeni eDar es Salaam. Ngasaya eDar es Salaam, lo Francis Newate, lo Eastern Tuve basuka kwathi base bethi mina right, bazangifuna ngo-67 eLokuzeni eLusaka. Bashiya betshela i-representative ze-party uLokuzwa uFrancis Newate ukuthi angedlulisele phambili ngeLusaka. So early of 67 sengiseLusaka, ngangihamba lo Danger leSibanda, we drive a big truck. I-truck yakhona wona yayithola ukudla. Safika eLusaka for just a day ngo-67, early 67. Ngahlala kweniswanyana. Chikerema uvice president lo Jason Moyo base bembiza e-ofisini kaChikerema. Laba uJason Moyo lo Chikerema uvice president, they in charge of okuthiwa i-Special Affairs Department. This Special Affairs Department i-army, siyi-nucleus of ZIPRA, kodwa engasiwa njengezipho kuthiwa Special Affairs Department. Sesiright sobuyile sesi-decide ukuthi wena siku-appoint be-chief political commissar. Babengelayo ku-chief political commissar, uzajoyina i-high command ye-special affairs. Ngathola kwawulo Hakim Ndlovu, kulo Dumiso Dabenkwa, kulo Robson Manyika, young chief of staff, kulo Embassy Dube, engilokhoza communication. Kulo report mpoko ekulokhoze ku-logistics. Kulo Abraham Kiwane lo Ambrose Diniri bengu-chief of personnel and training. Kulo Bhutshe wayengu-chief welokhoza we-reconnaissance. He was under Dumiso, nguDumiso eku-intelligence. So sithi na-right nxa siwapointa lapha uzasebenza ama-policies eparty kuyamele usebenze very closely loSibundika. Savumelana ngathi angizwile. Bangapointa lo Hakim wayekhona ofisi kaSikelemu. Yikho uHakim uzengithatha sethi no njengoba usungu-chief political officer kahle ngisezinkambeni ngiyoku-introduce. Wangisezinkambeni wangi-introduce wathi hhayi uNyali sengu-chief commissar wethu we-Department of Special Affairs. Abangemukela kakuhle. Uzathola ukubana lapha ngangidosisa ikamba yakhona kwakulabantu bemkhonto wesizwe. Sengisithi mina Hakim kade indawo lokuthiwa i-Special Affairs Department ingani lokho zi-army le njengoba structure this nuclear structure isiphelile. Indawo lengayiniki ibizo Hakim wathi na ubukhumbulani mina ngathi singathi na i-African People's Zimbabwe People's Revolutionary Army. Zimbabwe People's Revolutionary Army. Ngathi mina ngithi uyazi bona ilokhuza into yasingukuthi sekulwa i-discrimination. The whole socio-economic system of Rhodesia was based on discrimination. Ngathi mina so it is revolutionary army because it is going to create a society, fighting to creating a society which everybody, irrespective of color, they're going to be equal. So it's a complete change of the socio-economic system elizwe. Asavumelana.
So you actually came up with the name Zip?
And came up with the name.
Yeah. So ngikubuyisele emuva Mbijana. I think I heard somewhere that when you were appointed commissar, kulo mnye indoda owayekuthiwa nguHerbert Ndoro owayeyala ukuba ngucommissar.
Yeah. Walo uHerbert ngucommissar. Ngoba ngaye ngucommissar mina ngabe ngi-chief political commissar mina ngibe ngu-deputy chief.
So wayeyalelani?
Herbert Ndoro, they're not political minded, you see. They're not political minded. He just went to Soviet Union esiyakwenza ilokhuza i-law yakhe, international law. In fact, ngalifika eSoviet Union ngathola kulo Ndoro wayesenza international law, kulo Mokuzei, kulo Muzi Mokuzei senza international law, kulo Philemon Makonese senze study into the oil. Kulo Peter Chamboko mina was 5. So Doro was not interested in politics because also lapho for proof course wayelokhuzeni waye-America suke America waphenduka wafundisa e-University of Zambia u-UNZA.
So vele wathi wachi-struggle.
Wayevele ngihambanga nge-struggle, wehambe uyafunda kuphela
Via the struggle.
via the struggle ilanti kuyafunda.
Yeah. So there were people who were taking opportunity nje ukuzenzela into zabo, not committed to the whole thing.
Yeah.
So sungu chief of staff la, I mean sungu commissar laphana.
Yeah, sengikhumza.
Yeah.
Then bathi usasebenza very closely lo Silondika. uSilondika ongemukela kakuhle. Waqala wasembriefa ukuthi since ukusuka kwami what happened me during my absence. It was a good and a detailed briefing. Yikho-ke sengiqalise ukusebenza ukulungisa iprogram engizayifundisa. Iprogram engizayifundisa ngabona ikhona khonapho. Let's kuleyo autobiography yami.
Yeah.
Ngafundisa ipolitiki. Kwase kusithi ilokho ngo-1969 khona ama-disturbance ephathini uSkerema sebesuka. Ngizathanda ukuthi ngisho ukuthi into ngabona abakhohlisayo kwathi after operations, wonke operations which actually ZIPRA and the ANC demonstrated insinga i-ability yabo ku-warfare. Lelokhuza lokhuza eka-68 eMashonaland yayikhokhelwa nguMofati Dlomo.
Isipolilo.
Hadebe.
Isipolilo campaign.
Yes. No, those two operations instilled yaqala ukusheka i-region regime. Lapha abaluza khona uSmith ngabona wakhuluma lamangisi ukuthi no kumbe ngamangisi ayiqalisayo, I'm not quite sure. But no into le kangani ikorabove iyakhula. What about settling this question? Lapha okwenziwa khona i-Peace Commission to try to sound the opinion of the Africans. Uthola amafuna alokhu ukunasiwa. The response was no, we're not interested unless sinikwe lokhu kuzwa i-independence, one man, one person, one vote. Khola kwaleak information ukuthi kule move enjalo ngoba through intelligence ngabona sikere malonyana sobona ngani independence seduze. This is my analysis.
Yeah.
Sekubona ngani seduze sebekhona eva to break away. From ZAP. Yinto engiyibonayo. But that thing collapsed.
So bona basefuna ukusondela emakhiweni.
Ukuthi nxa kusiba be-independence badle abantu besishone sebephambili. The question was, by majority, they must take the leadership. Is up.
So as way back as 1969, you already have the issue yokuthi kulabanye abayi-majority and they should lead.
Yeah, lezi lokhu endala. I-understanding endala. Endala kakhulu. I think yaqalisa izane ifune ngo
63. Yeah.
This idea was when it was already circulating. In fact, kwathi uNkomo wahlangana nomngane wakhe welokhuzana an Egyptian. Ngonto wayesiya ngaphi. So uNkomo how he mentions it. Uthi na sembuze ethi na ukhanye ngani kule Craig Nkomo kuphathi yakho. Nkomo wathi hayi akula Craig. Wathi no kule Craig lapha. Ngoba abantu besishone bathi bona yi-majority, so they must run the country. uNkhumbula sowusithi dlwe. He mentions that point. So they try to oust him from leadership wozabo. Bese behlule befoma izanu. So the idea was the quite old. So because it was also said were detained by Zambian government. Khonapho sebe-splitile. Let's faka ezinkambeni. Let's detain. So kusithi ngo-71 base break away before i-Throllies weSkerim. Bathe from i-Throllies sebe-Chi party tribally yawo.
So Flores did not take much. It just fizzled out. But maybe I take it back a bit before you get to split. About 68, you start setting up in Kamba lapha. Was this for training?
In Kamba, it has Google in Kamba around Lusaka. But when you started infiltrating the people, certainly no. I say bafaka kuZambezi Valley. Kululubana sibe simoniti movement ye-enemy. And sibonile ama-point ukuthi singakhosa ngaphi. There was one in the Eastern Front. Owakrosa khona oHatebe. There was one in the Western Front. Owakrosa khona oJD. So in those that was the aim of those camps. Which is zibe khatshana lolu saka, you see. And of course even the army started growing. I think that is clear to you.
Yes.
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 So I stayed in those camps. I usually ngangisahlala kwe-western side, ngihlala kwe-eastern side. Ilokhuza inkamba yakhona. Something interesting. Into engayinanzelelayo kumbe engayitshelwayo. Ngifike enkambeni ekwi-eastern side. uJabulani Ncube wathi ngikhulumisa ukhangela, khanye ngani into azihambi kuhle lapha. Ngoba Eastern Front, it was mostly abantu besishoneni. But as guerrillas usually do far much better if you infiltrate them. Labo abazalwa khona. Uthe na ukhangele ngoba sisiyazingela.
eFeira, iFeira camp.
Yeah, eFeira. Sisiyazingela. Siyachawuka kodwa ukuthi kanzini siyachawuka uphondo. Yolazi uphondo.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wathi ungahambeli ngapha. Left or right yophondo. Uye ku-center. Ngoba omunye angathi uselokhuzeni ngabomu ngavuka inyamazana appointele inansiwe igani kuwe. Awulimaza awubulale. Ngamlalela uJabulani. Medical aid officer wethu.
So
Ngesukanyana sengisenkambeni. Ngabona ngangu-Western Camp inkamba uDK. Ngisiyabatshela ukuthi kukhanya ngani kunento ehluphayo ephathini. Ngokuthi ngiyabatshela sekwenzakele ulutho, it was not appropriate. Usikele mangimtshelanga ngoba uvese kule crack but ingakakhanyi kuhle. Ngokusikele waqalisa ukuthi engathendi lokhu uzayo. I-meeting se-high command lapho kulothambo khona omkhonto wesizwe. Eli wahlwa resign. Wathi akathendi i-meeting lezo. Angafike ngabatshela ngathi mina khange ephathini lapana kule crack. So ngithena ngizolitshela madoda ukuthi likhangele kakuhle. bathi no siyakhangela komsana. Then sengibuyele Lusaka. I'm right away ukuthi ule crack. Ngisuspect ukuthi hayi no. Ufike endlini lapha enhla kunelilanda. Ulokhu za uparale nyato lokhu za lo lama representative ephathi lokuzini lo Amos Ngwenya babengekho they went their campaign eCopperpet. Kwakusele umngalokhu uze kaGudu endlini. Ngisole nje ukuthi mina no into laba zibe right. Ngingalali. Ngisuke ngibheke ibedroom yami. Ngathi ngeke ibedroom yami. Ngitshela uyazi angizwa kuhle lapha. I suspect anything can happen. Athi yebo athi manje ngenzeni. Ngithi no ungeze ngitshayisa ivalo. Uvule masinyane. Uphume ngewindow ngathi ngachitha isikhathi. Uyatshela umkhonto wesizwe ngoba kodwa elilanda the next house. Sasingcele sasile enebheke kwangudumano welokhu zeni. We-ANC Secretary General. Ubatshele. Kwakulamakhola umuntu wesizwe kunabo. Lama siselala. Ngalala nje embhedeni ngakhangela phezulu. I think ama-12 go. Bavula isivalo. Uvula umuntu ethi isivalo. Mina hey. So what should I do? Should I resist? Umuntu lo munye. Ngathi no. I don't know what is outside. Wathi uvuka sana. Ngavuka. Ukuhamba phambili yena. Ukuthi ukuhamba phambili mina ngihamba ngemuva. At a few years away from me, endlini. Chenkeleze ngathi ngishaya ngivule lokhu umama lapha. Ngivele sengimtshelile ukuthi uphume ngewindi. Uphuma ngewindi atshela abantu bomkhonto. Abantu bomkhonto bavuka. Bese babuya ngapha ngalokho ngakithi. But we are surrounded. Ikubaleka abantu lawana.
So zange babona ukuthi ngobani?
Hayi azange babone ngobani.
Kumbe wababona kodwa ufuna bakhuluma.
Hayi azange babone ngobani. Hlale kunjalo. Esithatshela uJason. Nalo ngihlaseliwe lapha ebusuku. So lana khona ngapho emadwawe. Sesino right ke. Chinga hamba lehlalo nathi lokuzene elilanda. Then we are armed. Sasivele singalala endlini. Sasilala under what khulu. Uhlahla kwelokhuze kwebanana. Sikhangela ukuthi nxa bebuya sathi sifaka uhlamvu. Bengazi ukuthi uhlamvu luyavela ngaphi.
So vele kwase kuyi-internal fight lapha sekulwiwa.
Yeah, so internal fight.